everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing with you one of the most amazing hotels in Israel, Beresheet, which is located in Mitzpe Ramon. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so that you can see more awesome travel videos from Israel and beyond. In Hebrew, Beresheet means Genesis. This stunning 5-star hotel, which is located in the Negev desert on the edge of the Mitzpe Ramon crater, is one of Israel's most popular 5-star hotels. Built from rock, its modern-style architecture blends in so beautifully with the surrounding landscape. We stayed in a villa, which is perfect for a small group or a family. The room was luxurious and it felt super roomy, even with 3 sisters and a lot of luggage. The best part of this villa had to be our own small private pool. Still suffering from this bug bite on my forehead, but I don't really care because we just got to Beresheet and we have our own private pool. Insanity. I could have lounged at this pool all day. It definitely feels so luxe to have your own little pool and peace and quiet while catching some rays. You get used to this, like, having your own private swimming pool situation. The property also features some community lounging areas with fire pits. Don't be surprised if an ibex or two decides to join you. The restaurant, which you can see above us, uses ingredients from local organic farms and serves wines from the various wineries popping up in the region. Welcome to Beresheet. This is an incredible luxury hotel in the desert. It's Mitzpe Ramon. This place, I mean, every time I tell anyone from Israel that we're staying here, they totally freak out, and it's apparently the most incredible hotel in Israel. So we're so excited to stay here for a night. Woo, windy. We were lucky to get a room. They were so booked and they had a last minute cancellation. So if you guys want to stay here, make sure that you look into it quickly and make a reservation because they fill up very fast. If you feel like having a little bit more interaction with other humans, you can walk over to the main pool, which is an insane infinity-style pool that looks like it falls right over the edge of the crater. A little bit about this crater. It was not caused by a meteor or a volcanic eruption, but rather it's the world's largest erosion cirque. It is approximately 25 miles long, and it's shaped like an elongated heart. This crater was formed actually by the erosion of water, as millions of years ago the Negev desert was covered by an ocean, believe it or not. As the water receded, it carved out this incredible crater. As I've said before, they don't mess around with breakfast in Israel. The breakfast buffet here was insane. We had the breakfast of champions, as you can see here. Note my sarcasm, as kanafa and pizza are not the breakfast of champions. Oh, you got your own one?
And pizza.
And pizza. Kanafa and pizza and cheesecake. After breakfast, we took some time to relax by the pool. This is so relaxing. I just want to stay here for like a whole week and do nothing. Can we do that? Please? Living my best life. If you can manage to peel yourself away from this pool during the day, they also offer some awesome activities, such as 4x4 safaris in the crater or camel excursions. They also have yoga class in the morning, which I wish I would have woken up for, but I did not. If you want to lounge even more, they have some incredible day beds you can relax on while you take in the incredible view. Photo shoot or it never happened, right? On our way to the next destination, we took a pit stop to visit the nearby home of David Ben Gurion, Israel's first prime minister and one of the key figures who helped found the nation. We enjoyed seeing the huge herd of ibex there. They really are super cute, aren't they?
I'm in the Lion King right now. The part where they're in like the ravine, it's like the stampede where Mufasa dies. That's what it kind of feels like.
Except a lot less dangerous.
Of course.
It's in a Jewish tradition. You never put a flower on the grave, only a stone.
Really?
Yeah, never.
Why is that?
It's historical.
That about does it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure if you're ever in Israel, you book a stay at Beresheet. It is absolutely a gorgeous hotel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment down below saying hi. And I will see you all on the next video. Bye!